If it is meant to be, it'll be. Totoo kaya? Bakit hanggang ngayon wala pa? Kailan ba ang right time? Di yan, tatanda na lang ako, wala pa yan. Have you ever questioned yourself those words? Yung tipong, dumating ka na sa point in life mo na hindi ka na talaga naniniwala. Kasi sa haba-haba ng panahon hanggang ngayon, wala pa rin ang mga pinapangarap mo. Girl, believe me, magtiwala ka ulit. Believe in yourself and believe in God. Kasi si God, walang imposible. Kay God, walang happenings na hindi meant to be sa'yo. Bad happenings man yan o good memories, all of it has a purpose. Yung bad experiences mo, they are meant for you to build your success. They are meant for you in order for you to not commit the same mistakes. And your good memories, they are the sweetest medicine to your soul. Huwag kang mawalan ng tiwala at pag-asa kasi si God na mismo ang nagsabi. Isaiah 60 verse 22. When the time is right, I the Lord will make it happen. Hindi man ngayon or tomorrow, but someday soon, mapapasabi ka na lang, kaya pala. In a positive way, o di kaya, thank you Lord kasi ito yung dream ko. Ako nga, nag 7 years in college, pero at the end of the day, napasabi na lang ako, kaya pala himantong ako sa 7 years kasi kung pinatuloy ko yung first course ko, di ko ma-achieve ang dream job ko. At kaya pala dumaan ako sa maraming obstacles kasi itong dream job ko ay hindi biro. Kaya, thank you Lord. Oh, huwag ka na mag-overthink ha. See you at your destination.